Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera to Professor Madya Dr. Nurlina and Mr. Habil. My name is Mohammad Inazriq bin Zaidi. Today I will explain my topic research, which is the relationship between organizational commitment and performance among employees at Sarawak Energy Berhad in Kuching. My supervisor is Madam Aromani Arabi and my co-supervisor is Professor Madya Dr. Jati Kasuma bin Ali. First one, I'll explain about my background of study. Organizational commitment defined as a bond that an employee has with the organization they work with and the degree to which they can identify themselves with the value of the organization. For the dimension of organizational commitment, we have three dimensions, which is effective commitment, continuance commitment, and normative commitment. And for the job performance, is a design task with a time set and done by a person, which is later is measured by using performance management. Next one is my research objective and research question. My RO is to determine the relationship between organizational commitment and job performance among the employees at Sarawak Energy Berhad in Kuching. I have three research questions, which is, for the first one is, what is the relationship between effective commitment with employees' job performance? RQ2 is, does the relationship between normative commitment affect employees' job performance? And RQ3 is there any relationship between continuance commitment and employees' job performance? Next one is, this is my conceptual framework. As you can see, my IV, I have three variables, which is effective commitment, continuance commitment, and normative commitment, and I have my job performance. It is adopted from a three-component model, TCM, of commitment from Meyers and Allen. Next one, this is my methodology. For my research design, I have used non-experimental research, which is correlational research. My sample frame is list of employees at Sarawak Energy Berhad in Kuching. My sampling technique is convenience sampling, and my population is 130 of employees. My sample size is suggested from Kerji and Morgan table, which is my minimum respondent is 97, and my unit of analysis is employees at Sarawak Energy Berhad in Kuching. Next one is, this is my data collection procedure, as you can see and you can read it. Next one, this is my finding demographic data of respondent. As you can see, I have distributed question A, which is 130, and my written question A is 103, and the percentage is 79.2. I have 6 sections of demographic data in section A, which is, for the first one, gender. As you can see, female has a higher frequency, which is 52, and the percentage is 50.5. And for the age is 50 years old and above, has the most respondent, which is participant in my data respondent. The next one is for marital status and education level, and I have how long is your service with the organization and working group. Next one, as you can see, for the normality test, all the variables are normal, and it has range value suggested by Palan 2009. And for the mean, as you can see, all the variable has relationship with job performance, and all the value is more than 4, which is suggested by best principle. I have high job performance. Next one is my reliability data. As you can see, all the variable shows above 0.7, and all my independent variable has acceptable and preferable value. For the correlation, as you can see, all my independent variable shows has significant relationship with my job performance. For discussion, for the effective commitment, the result indicate weak correlation, positive direction, and significant relationship between job performance. And for the continuance commitment, shows it has moderate correlation, positive direction, and significant relationship between job performance. And the last one is for the normative. It shows the moderate correlation, positive direction, and significant relationship between job performance. So my conclusion shows that all my independent variable, which is organizational commitment, I have three dimensions, shows that all the result has the significant relationship with the job performance, and all the respondents agree that organizational commitment have influenced toward their job performance at Sarawak Energy Berhad. So my recommendation for organization, the need of employee must be understood by manager in organization in order to improve the employees' job performance so that the organization goals can be achieved. And they also can maintain the employee motivation towards the organization by taking care of the needs. And for the future research, other researcher can use other research design in order to collect or get the data. As for the example, for example, interview or survey and qualitative method. And they also can choose strategic timing to distribute a questionnaire to prevent from the respondent to feel burden and possibility of error in complete questionnaire to be collected. So that's all for me. Thank you.